Morning guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday. I don't have my watch on. I think it's the 26th, maybe. I'll correct myself on screen if I'm wrong. But yes, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So I am going out to help Morgan on site today. Got up about 45 minutes ago. It is now 7:30. Just waiting for him. I'm basically all ready. I did have Evie with me, but she just bolted. I look a mess because my hair's dirty and everything, but yeah, I'm just waiting for Morgan. I'm gonna go and mark out a job. So yeah, we are still in quarantine, so I will need to wear a mask there and back. Well, I don't need to wear a mask in my car because I'm driving by myself, but like outside my house and stuff I'll need to. Hey guys, so this is my outfit for the day. I know I look like I got a nappy on, but I got some really massive pants to try and not get sunburnt this time, and they look hilarious, but if it means I don't get sunburnt, I'm happy. So yes, we are about to head out. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is, what time is it?
5:30.
5:30 p.m. We've been here all day. I got here at 10. Morgan got here around 9:30. So we are knackered. It's hard work wearing masks as well. But yeah, we've just finished marking the house out. So I'm very dirty. And I'm ready to go home and have a shower and eat dinner and go to bed. You too? Hey guys, quick check-in. It is actually 12 on the 27th of April. It is Tuesday. I am knackered from yesterday. We didn't get home until like 6:30, so I am shattered. Every muscle in my body is hurting. All the bending over and like lifting heavy boots and stuff all day really doesn't agree with my body, but that's why I only help, you know, once every now and then, not every day. So yeah, it's a pajama and work day today. I'm currently working, but I'm just spending my day in pajamas and then hopefully relaxing after I finish work. But I wanted to jump on and let you guys know something exciting that's just happened. I can't give you too many details, but I have been talking with the brand for the last few days. I think they contacted me in middle of last week. And we've been doing a bit of back and forth, and we have actually agreed on something today. So they are going to be gifting me some products to trial and post. So it's not like a brand as such, it's a brand that sells other brands. So yeah, I'm excited to do that. So you'll see that probably end of May, I think, by the time I get the products and try them and everything like that. But that's exciting. So yeah, I'm super excited. This is my first time being like gifted something to try out. So yeah, super excited. And just wanted to share it with you guys because it wouldn't be happening if you guys weren't here supporting me and enjoying my content. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys. There will be a code that comes with the products as well, so you will get a discount if you do want to try them. But yeah, I don't really have anything else to update on. I just thought I'd share that good news because I'm super excited about it. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is actually Wednesday, 28th of April. It is 4:45 p.m. Wow, the time's gone quick. I didn't realize it was that late. I have just done this makeup look. So this was my take on like a purple and an orange look. Don't mind that little smudge there. I got some eyeliner on it and I can't get it off. But I used the palette from the Lumi box again, the Rockin' Moroccan. And I used the purple shade from here and the orange shade from here. Then in the middle there, I do have this one here, and inner corner brow bone is that one. So it came out really pretty. And then I'm just using my Tarte lipstick in Courage on my lips, and I tapped a little bit of this shade here on top of it as well to give it a bit of a shimmer. And then in the very center I just have some clear gloss from Fenty Beauty. This is the Diamond Milk one. So yeah, super pretty, and I thought I'd put a really colorful shirt on, seeing as I was playing with some bright colors. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Today I haven't worked. It is my day off today, so yeah, I thought I would just play with some makeup. Hey guys, a quick check-in. I look a mess right now. My apologies. I'm just sitting on the floor in my lounge room at the moment. I am catching up on some YouTube videos. And let me turn you around and show you what I am doing. By the way, it is April 29th. It is Thursday. I've worked all day. So it is 3:10 right now. Oh no, my Fitbit just broke completely. There we go. God dang it. See, I told you I was going to keep wearing it until it fully broke. Well, it just fully broke. So I will change that over later on tonight. I might wait until Morgan gets home and see if he can help me, because I'm not so great at doing those things. So yeah, let me turn you around and show you what I am doing right now. I've literally just sat down, so I haven't started it yet. I've literally just opened it up so that I can show you guys what I am doing. I do have the girls behind me. We've got Macy there. She's wanting to see what I'm doing. We've got Evie directly behind me. Yeah, okay, so this is what I'm doing. It is a diamond painting of Marilyn Monroe, and I really, really like the colors of it. I really do. I think it's super pretty. So I wanted to do this and see if it would look nice in my makeup room. If not, then my mother-in-law also loves it, so she said that she'll pop it in her house if I can't find anywhere for it. But this is it here. So it's nice and big and absolutely stunning. It came with like a little thing for you to put your little diamonds in. Come with some of that wax stuff so you can actually pick everything up, and then the little diamond picker, and then a bunch of different diamonds. I paid $19.99 for this at just like one of those cheapy stores. So yeah, I'm going to start this. I won't finish it today, obviously. It's pretty big. It's a 50 by 60 centimeters. But yeah, I'm gonna start it whilst watching some YouTube and relax for the rest of the night. So quick check-in, 3 hours later, and I've only done one of the colors. So you can see I've done some here, some there, some up there, a little bit, I think, in her nose and her eye. So that is the progress so far, but yeah, 3 hours and 1 color so far. Hey guys, so I have just had Morgan change the band on my Versa. So it is super cute. I also popped a new protective screen over it. This was my old protective little screen thing. It just like sits on there. But I didn't realize how much the color had worn off because it was exactly the same as this. So yeah, it was really cool as well because these little links can come out. So it was too loose, so we have taken a link out. We tried two, but then it was a bit too tight, wasn't moving, so we put one back. But yeah, looks pretty cute. Hi guys, quick check-in. It is April 30th. It is Friday today. It's actually 12:30. So it's middle of the day. Haven't really done too much this morning. Got up, showered, brushed my hair, did my morning skincare, got dressed. I did a few little chores around the house, just little things because I had the cleaners yesterday, so pretty much everything is done. Got a load of washing on at the moment. I still have a backlog of washing to fold. I keep putting it off though and hiding it in the spare room. Yeah, not really anything else to check in on. I'm going to film a look soon using the Lorella palette again, the Moroccan one. So this will be my fourth look I've done because I did a pink look in the video. Then I filmed a reel with the brown and green, I think it was, and then I did the purple and orange look. So I think I'm gonna do a blue look, a blue and green look. That was one of the colors that was requested as well. So yeah, I think I'll film that shortly. Hey guys, quick check-in. So this is the blue and green makeup look that I decided to do for today's reel. This is what it looks like. It's super cute, very pretty. I used the Lorella palette again, the Moroccan. I'm absolutely in love with this palette. But yeah, this is the look that I created and I am in love. Quick check-in. I have now done 3 colors. Done 3 colors. Morgan's feeding the girls, so yeah, it's being annoying. You can see all of the little bits that I've done so far. It's taking ages though. Hey guys, a quick check-in. It is a Saturday, 1st of May. I can't believe it's already May. Oh no, I've got a stain on my shirt. What have I done? The heck? Okay, I'm gonna have to change out of this. Oh my goodness, it's all over me. I don't know what I've just touched. Yeah, thought I'd do a quick check-in. This is what I look like at the moment. I'm about to do a makeup look. I'm going to do a yellow and brown look using my Lorella Cosmetics Moroccan palette. So this will be look number 5. So yeah, I'm gonna do a nice yellowy brown look. I've only got like one sort of yellow color here, and then some gold. I do have a few different like shades of brown, so hopefully I can make something work, but that was one of the color combos that was requested. So yeah, I'm about to do that. First I need to go change my shirt because I mean, look at all of that. What have I done? What have I touched? Who knows? Hey guys, quick check-in. So this is the after. So it is day 3, I think, since I washed my hair, maybe day 4. So yeah, it's looking a bit messy, so I popped it up in some braids for this look today so that I didn't have to wash it. But this is the eye look. How stunning is it? I really like it. And then I've just got like a burnt orange sort of lip on. I did use, it was the Fenty Beauty Freckle Fiesta. So I mixed this with my Flower Beauty Peachy Nude. just so that it wasn't so super deep. And then I just popped my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk on top, just to give it that glossy effect. But yeah, this is using the Rockin' Moroccan palette from Lorella Cosmetics again. So yeah, I want to do like a smoky sort of yellow look. So yeah, I am absolutely in love with this palette. It's got so many different looks you can do. The only thing that it's missing is a white and a black. If it had those two colors, I think it's got like almost everything that you would need in it then. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. But that's my 5th look using that palette now. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Sunday the 2nd of May. I'm just having cuddles with Evie on the couch. Oh, Evie having cuddles? Yes, we just took her collar off so she could have neck scratches. She loves it. Oh, you love that? Yeah. So, we've had another case, well, 3 cases pop up yesterday. So, at the moment, today is like a day of like, what's gonna happen? Are we gonna go back into lockdown? At the moment, masks are mandatory, but yeah, we're waiting to see what happens. That was a bit scary because, you know, 3 cases in one day. So yeah, we're just waiting. At the moment, it's 10:15. At the moment, we're meant to be getting a press conference at 10:30. He's always late though, so maybe 10:45. So yeah, we're just waiting on that, but we are having a super lazy day today. You should see what Evie's doing. What are you doing, darling? What are you doing? Huh? Evie? Is it cute? So yeah, we're just waiting on that, but we're just having a super chill, lazy day today. I haven't even brushed my hair. That's still from yesterday. I did shower and change though, although I'm now covered in hair from giving Evie cuddles. Hey guys, quick check-in. I really need to brush my hair, shouldn't I? So far no lockdown as yet. We've had some breakfast. And I've just organised the cupboard. One cupboard. All the other ones are already organised. It's just the pot lid cupboard that I've been putting off for ages now. So here it is. You can see me in the lids. But yeah, and now I have like this thing from IKEA which sorted all my lids. And then all my Ultra Pros from Tupperware's down there and my spare cutlery. So everybody wants you to do my makeup.
You're gonna look like a fucking queen.
Well, would you be interested in filming a video doing my makeup with me? Why not?
Because you look like a fucking spam.
What about if I send you like some quick videos to watch to see what everything is and do?
No.
What will make you do the video?
Nothing.
Come on, tell them something that they can do. Come on, everybody wants to see you do my makeup.
You have to get like 1,000 subscribers or something.
1,000 subscribers. All right, there you go, guys. You've heard it. 1,000 subscribers and Morgan will do my makeup on YouTube with me. So start sharing, guys. So I thought I would do an outro. It is pretty early in the day, but we're really not doing anything. I did go and brush my hair and make it all nice and tidy again. We are just having a movie afternoon, so we're watching movies, just chilling out really. If there is anything, I will add it in, but if not, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Don't forget, 1,000 subscribers, Morgan will do my makeup. Woo woo! As always, thanks for watching, guys.